Ms. Rashmi Chetri, and I welcome the entire students of class 4 over here. Kids, I hope that you all are doing well and you all are safe at home. You all are obeying your parents, studying properly and doing your homeworks in a neat and clean handwriting. Okay? So kids, today we will be doing GK. Following which book? Knowledge Quest 4. Okay? This is Knowledge Quest 4, class 4, and you know which book you have to take out. So everyone get ready with the books and the pencils, okay? So the chapters that we are going to do today is chapter number 7, 8, 9, 10. That is following page number 11, 12, 13 and 14. The name of the chapter for 7 is Our Industries. Number 8, River Facts. Number 9, Union Territories, and number 10, Folk Dance. Isn't it so exciting, kids? जो हमें बाहर से like this is only the book, this is only the subject that gives us the entire knowledge of the world of our country, है ना? Like ऐसे कितने चीज होंगे जो आपको नहीं पता होगा. Like book के बारे में तो you know, like subject wise English आपको पता है, maths आपको आता है, but there are some other things like country के बारे में आपको details में जानना है ना? So this is the subject. Is you don't think so कि ये कितना interesting है? इसमें हमें वो सारी चीजें मिलती है like जो country के हर एक कोने में होता है. Sitting in your home only, you can learn many things about your country, about the whole world, animals, है ना? So after this lesson, you will be able to recognize the industries. You will learn the industries like कौन सा industry कौन से country को belong करता है. Okay, आप लोगों को ये तो नहीं पता होगा है ना? So today we will learn. After this lesson, we will learn that which industries belongs to which city, and we will also learn the river facts. There are many rivers. आप लोग ने नाम भी पढ़ा होगा. Like some common names are गंगा, ब्रह्मपुत्र, गोदावरी, कावेरी, है ना? तो ये सब river कौन से city को belong करता है? Do you know that? कि कौन से city से flow होता है, कौन से state से flow होता है? Yes. After this lesson, we will learn the river facts and we will also learn the description of union territories. Kids, do you know how many union territories are there? States and capitals, so you know very well, but there are total 7 union territories, and today we will be learning the description of each union territories, okay? And lastly, today also we will learn the traditional dances of our country. Means folk dances मतलब the traditional dances, like सारे states के क्या होते हैं, अलग-अलग dance form होते हैं ना, like पंजाब का होता है भांगड़ा and many more this type of things we are going to learn today. Okay, I think it's very much interesting. So kids, let's start. Page number 11. Okay, open to chapter number 7 and page number 11. So industries means what? Industries का मतलब तो आप लोगों को पता ही होगा. In industries क्या होता है ना, there are big machines and industries has played a very major and a very vital role in our day-to-day life and the activities. Because अगर आज कोई industries नहीं होते तो हमारे पास like everything would be very hard. But because of this machines and everything, this technology, machines, industries, this has done our work very much easier. Okay, and this is the only thing that helps our country to develop. So today in this chapter we will see that कौन सा industry, like कौन सा city किस industry के लिए famous है. Okay, along with me, everyone match the answers. Okay, so first one is Ahmedabad. And the answer, Ahmedabad is famous for cotton textile, that is number K. Okay, so match it. Number 2 is Bengaluru. Bengaluru is famous for aircraft industry. Okay, that is number F. Number 3 is Bokaro. Bokaro is famous for trucks and buses. That is number D. Okay, 3 is D. Number 4 is Ludhiana. Ludhiana is famous for leather goods. Okay, वहाँ पे leathers के सामान बनाया जाता है. So number 4 is J. Number 5 is Bokajal and it is famous for cement. So the answer is 5 is for H. Number 6 is Chittaranjan and it is famous for locomotives, that is I. Okay. Number 7 is Darjeeling and you know very well Darjeeling is famous for tea. Okay. And the answer is number L. And Bhopal, number 8 is Bhopal and Bhopal is famous for heavy electrical. Okay. And the answer is number E. Number 9 is Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam is famous for shipbuilding. The answer is M. Number 10 is Digboi. Digboi is famous for oil refinery. Okay. So the answer is number B. And Jamshedpur, 11 number, Jamshedpur is famous for steel. Okay, वहाँ पे like steel का सामान बनाया जाता है. So the answer is number G. Number 12 is Raniganj and Raniganj is famous for coal mining. The answer is number 12 will be O. Okay. Number 13 is Mussoorie. Okay, Mysore. So sorry, number 13 is Mumbai and Mumbai is famous for Bollywood, that means film industry. And the answer is for number 13 it's C. Okay. Number 14 Mysore. Mysore is famous for 14 number is silk, so the answer for 14 is B. Number 15 is Kolar. Kolar is famous for gold mine and the answer will be number A. Okay. Number 16 is Namrup. Namrup is famous for fertilizers, so the answer is number N. Okay. And kids remember that अगर industry नहीं होती, आज machines नहीं होते, like हमारे पास हमारे country में छोटे से छोटे चीज के भी industries है, like for cotton also, cotton से लेके each and everything. Okay, so this is the industry is playing a very major role for in the development of the country. Okay, so now if you turn the page, that is page number 12, chapter number 8. In this chapter we will learn the rivers, that कौन सा river कहाँ से flow होता है, which river is actually belonging to which city. Okay, so let's see. First is Agra and the answer is Yamuna. Okay. For this one, page number 12, question number 1, Agra, answer is number E, that is Yamuna. Number 2 is Guwahati and number 2 Guwahati will be Brahmaputra. Okay, that is number H. Number 3 is Surat and the answer will be Tapti, that is number A. And 4 is Haridwar and the answer will be J. Understood, that is Ganga. Number 5 is Lucknow and the answer is Gomti, that is number B. And number 6 is Ahmedabad and the answer is Sabarmati, that is number D. Okay. And number 7 is Cuttack and the answer is Mahanadi, that is number F. Okay, 7 is for F. Number 8 is Badrinath and the answer is Alaknanda, that is L. Okay. Number 9 is Ludhiana and the answer is Sutlej, that is number G. Number 10 is Srinagar and the answer is Jhelum, that is number I. Okay. Number 11 is Nasik. Nasik is in Maharashtra. Okay. So that is the answer will be number 11 is Godavari and the 11 is for C. And 12 is Kolkata and it is for Hooghly. Okay. The answer is number K. And now let's move on to question number 2. Rivers are used for, like nowadays multi-purpose dams are being built on rivers for irrigation, to generate electricity and to control floods. Okay, dams तो आप लोगों को पता ही होगा ना, dams मतलब huge, that is a huge like wall, we can say wall that जो पानी को बीच में stop करता है. Okay, जो floods आते हैं ना बड़े बड़े, that it will stop it. So okay, and for many purpose also. So the first one is Bhakra Nangal and the answer is Sutlej, that is number C. Number 2 will be Krishna Naraza Sagar, that is Kaveri, number D. Number 3 is Alamati, the answer is Krishna, number G. Number 4 is Sardar Sarovar, answer is Narmada, that is H. And 5 is Hirakud, the answer is Mahanadi and it is for A. And number 6 is Nagarjuna Sagar, that is answer is Krishna, that is B. And number 7 is Farakka Barrage, that is Ganga, number E. And number 8 is Tehri, that is Bhagirathi. Number F. Okay, these were the facts of river, and also we have learned, we have seen that which river is flowing, which river is actually belonging to which city. Okay, I suppose ये आप लोगों को पहले पता नहीं था होगा. Okay, so now we will be learning the description of union territories. As before starting the class only, I have told you that today we will also learn. Yes, we know the names of each union territories, but we doesn't know the description. हमको उतना description में पता नहीं था. So today we will be learning that also. Okay, you have to match the union territories with their description. So the first one is Andaman and Nicobar Island. That will be number B. It is a collection of many coral islands and famous for its cellular jail, where Indian freedom fighters were imprisoned during the British period. Its capital is called Port Blair. Okay. Number second is Chandigarh, and the answer is number D. It was planned by French architect Le Corbusier in collaboration with Indian architects. Number 3 is Daman and Diu, that is number E. Located between Gujarat and Maharashtra, this territory came under Portuguese control in 1789, and in 1954 it became free. It was declared a union territory in 1961. Number 4 is Dadra and Nagar Haveli, that is number F. Consists of two widely separated districts. One a tiny island of the Gujarat coast, and the other a small enclave within Gujarat. Its capital is Silvassa. Number 5 is Delhi. Okay, and the answer is number C. Known as the National Capital Territory, it is situated on the bank of the river Yamuna. Number 6 is Lakshadweep, and the answer will be number G. An archipelago of 36 separate coral reefs and islands, out of which only 10 are inhabited. Its capital is Kavaratti. Okay, and number 7 is Puducherry, that is number A. Surrounded by Tamil Nadu, it originated as a French trade center in 1674. When it was purchased from local leaders, it contains the Hindu ashram of Sri Aurobindo. And there is a note that Delhi is regarded as a union territories. It enjoys all the rights of a state. Okay, so these were the facts and the description of union territories. Now, if you turn the page, that is the last chapter, folk dance. Folk dance, what I have told you, folk dances means the traditional dances of different types of states. Like सारे states के अलग-अलग एक traditional dances होता है ना. So that we are going to see. Okay. Folk dances are traditional dance forms generally performed by the people on social occasion. Name the dance forms of the different states. First is Rajasthan, Ghumar. Okay. Number 2 is Gujarat, Garba. Number 3 is Assam, Bihu. 4th is Mizoram, Chiru. Number 5 is Odisha, that is Gumora. Number 6 is Punjab, that is Bhangra. Then next is again Punjab only, that is Gidda. Both are the traditional dances of Punjab only. I think you might have heard Bhangra and Gidda. And next is Maharashtra, that is Lavani, means Marathi people used to dance. Their traditional dance is called Lavani. Okay, and next is Tamil Nadu, that is Karattam. Okay, students, do all this in your neat and clean handwriting. Let's meet up in the next video. Till then, bye bye.